Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. If you're new here, I create art from office shapes, either in Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flag. Go to Insert, choose Shapes, and we're going to select this. It's called a wave, but it also looks like a flag. I'm going to change it to fixed position. I'm going to give it a gradient, shape fill, gradient, and it doesn't matter what it is. You're just going to choose anything for now. Now I'm going to go into shape format or format shape. Okay, sometimes it undocks, but I'll add it back in here. Go to fill, and we're gonna change our gradient stops for our flag. So this will be a 3-part flag, and I'm just gonna choose 3 colors at random. I don't know if it'll be a real flag that exists already or not. I'm just gonna use that. Okay, a little bit larger here. Let's take this one, and this one's gonna be, I'm gonna make it a red one, and then this one's gonna be green. Okay. Linear is good. Direction. I'm going to choose this direction. Okay. Angle is 0. Now we want to basically move these until they line up. They're very close, and then there'll be just no gap in between them. So like that. Move this red one. Okay. Move this green one. I think we need another red one here. So I'm going to just click on the color bar. Now I'm just going to select the red. Okay, that's this is the one we want. And now I'm just going to move it closer, like so. Almost done. Go too far, it'll overlap. And then this one here, let's just see, almost, oh, there we go. Okay, and then you could change it, make it larger, wider, shape outline, make that black. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. Okay, you could go insert, shapes. We look for something that looks like a flagpole, which there probably is not. So take a circle. Okay, now we're just going to go back and get a rectangle. Perfect. And then this one can send to back. It doesn't matter, I guess, but send to back. If you're going to use gradients, it probably does matter, but take both of these. Shape outline, black. Shape outline, weight. Make it thicker. Okay, that's probably a little bit on the thick side, but that's okay. You can change that to whatever you want. Shape fill, make it golden. In this case, make it maybe a little more yellow. And then shape effects, bevel. Probably put a bevel on there. I'm just gonna move this over here. That's a good one. Okay, I'm gonna group them. So go shape format, group, change that to fixed position. So now you got a flagpole. This thing here, I could bring it back a little bit. You don't want it to change that much. Just move it like that. Okay. With this, you can put a shadow on there. A little bit. I guess you can also put a bevel on there. I don't know. It might work out for us. It might not. I'm just going to move everything over to the side so I can see it change. And so for selecting this, and then there's also, I guess you can change it a bit. If we give it a little bit of a twist, it's kind of cool. Maybe bring to front like that, and then shape effects, bevel. I'll choose this one here. I have to make a decision. And then I'm just going to select everything, group them. So now I'm just going to make it fixed position. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.